At the heart of Paris stands the Eiffel Tower, an icon of ingenuity. Built in 1889, it was once called a metal asparagus by critics today. It's the world's most visited monument. Just a stroll away lies the Louvre, a palace-turned museum, home to treasure like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Did you know the Louvre's galleries stretch over 15 kilometers? You'd need weeks to see it all.
Now, let's lose ourselves in Paris neighborhoods. Les Marais, once marshland, is now a tapestry of cultures. Here, you'll find Jewish delis besides Baroque mansions, and the Musée Picasso tucked into a 17th century hotel. Don't miss Paris' oldest covered market, Marquis des Enfants Rouges, where the scent of fresh mingles with Moroccan spices.
Beyond the postcard sites, Paris thrives in its quieter corners. The Canal Saint-Martin, a favorite of locals, is perfect for a sunset picnic near Rue Cremieux dazzles with rainbow-colored houses, a slice of Provence in the city.
You don't need a plane ticket to experience Paris. With virtual tours, you can walk the Champs-Élysées, stand beneath the Arc de Triomphe, or cruise the Seine all from your home. Dive into 360 documentaries, interactive museum collection, and street view adventures. Paris is closer than you think.
Paris is more than a city, it's a feeling, a stroll, its gardens, a bite of a buttery croissant, the glow of street lamps of centuries-old stone, as Victor Hugo once said, to err is human, to stroll is Parisian. So whether you're here in person or through a screen, let Paris enchant you.